Assalamu alaikum students, Miss Azma Zahra, your Pakistan studies teacher. As you know, we are learning about the chapter Resources of Pakistan. We have learned about the forest and the importance of the forest. Today we are going to learn minerals and the importance of minerals in the economy of the country. We will learn about the minerals, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, as well as we learn how the minerals or production of minerals help in the development of economic system of the country. So let's start. Minerals. What are minerals? Mineral resources are a country's natural resources. They are extracted from under surface of the earth. Minerals are formed from the hot magma. When the magma cools down, crystals of various minerals are formed. Most minerals are found underground when heat and pressure transform one form of the rock into another. Some minerals are formed near or on the surface of the earth. They appear where minerals rich fluid such as silica bearing water evaporates. Mineral resources can be classified into two types: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic resources are highly important for the mankind. Many of the day-to-day articles in our household are made of metallic minerals. A few metals such as gold, copper appear in pure form as metallic minerals or metallic elements, but most are found as ores, which are chemical compounds containing a high proportion of the metal. Metallic minerals are those which are made of a metal compound or look like a metal, like iron, copper, chromite, bauxite, and many more. Non-metallic minerals are the minerals in which no any metal compound is present. For example, gypsum, rock salt, marble, clay, and limestones. There's a picture in which you can see the mining. Mining is a process of digging rocks and minerals from the earth. Today we are going to learn some of the metallic and some of the non-metallic minerals which are commonly found in Pakistan, in which we will learn about, we will discuss about coal, marble, copper, gypsum, rock salt, limestone, and natural gas. First of all, we will learn about rock salt. Rock salt is found mainly in salt range. It is used in cooking and preservative purposes. It is also used for preparation of soda ash, bicarbonate of soda, caustic soda, and other sodas for laundry, textile, and tanning. You can see the location of rock salt in blue color, in orange rectangular symbol. You can see the location of rock salt. Then gypsum. Gypsum is used as a raw material in industries. It is used for fertilizer, as a retarder in cement, and as a filler in paper, paints, rubber. White gypsum is used for making cement and plaster of Paris. Gypsum is found in white and pink color in large quantity. Mianwali, Jhelum, Dera Ghazi Khan, and in Punjab, Quetta and Sibbi in Balochistan, Kohat in Kohat in NWFP are the main producer of gypsum. Some quantity is also found in Bahawalpur, Dadu, and Sangar in Sindh, and Dera Ismail Khan in NWFP. Now, limestone. Limestone is calcium carbonate. It is the main raw material for cement. It is also used for manufacturing of lime, bleaching powder, glass, soap, paper, and paints. The deposits of limestone are located in Salt Range, the Potoha Plateau, Margalla Hills, and Dera Jet. Important deposits have also found at Daudkhel, Pizu, and Mohalkot of Dera Ismail Khan, Kohat, Noshera, and Zindapir, DJ Khan, in Sindh, Ganjo, Takkar, and Rodi. Deposits of limestone are also important. In Balochistan, it is found in Harnai. In Karachi, the limestone of Marli Hills and that of Mangopir is being used in the cement factories. Then the marble. Basically, marble is a decorative stone used for decorating the exterior of buildings. Pakistan is very rich in marble deposits of different colors. White marbles of Mulagori is of very fine quality. The Mulagori deposits on Peshawar Mulagori Road in Khyber Agency is very famous worldwide. Mulagori white marble is comparable to the famous Italian marble of Carrara and Malirana from India. Marble deposits are also found at Swabi, Mardan, and Sawad. The Gondai Turco marble deposits, which are white in color. Oxy marble is found in eruptive zone in Chaghi area. It is found in layers of various shades: green, yellow, red, and white color. You can see the location of deposits of limestone and marble on the map. Now, natural gas, coal and petroleum are also very important. In the previous lecture or in the previous video, we have already learned about natural gas, coal and petroleum. If you want to learn about more about the natural gas, you can go through that video. There is the location of the deposits of natural gas, coal and petroleum. These are also very important for the development of a economy of the country. Then copper, and from this map we will discuss about the copper. Copper is metallic mineral which we learn about. Copper is a metallic mineral and it is also found in Pakistan. The copper, gold and silver are some highly precious metals. They are used for making ornaments, utensils and decorative articles. The copper deposits are available in Sendak. These deposits are located in the eruptive zone of western Balochistan, about 25 miles north of Kohe Tuftan railway station. Sendak Metal started this project. Sendak Metals is a company which started this project in Chaghi district. Now, explain the importance of natural resources in the economic development of Pakistan. Natural resources are very much important for the development of a country. Human and natural, both determining factors in economic development. Natural resources are the foundation of economic development or industrial system. They help in the raising of production in all sectors of economy. The development of resources help to attain development in the shortest possible period of time. Resources are the precious wealth of the country. Mineral resources provide sound base for the large number of industries, for example, iron, steel, petrol, chemical and cement. Resources provide employment to the large number of people to the local area. Resources help to flourish trade and business. Now, task to do, you have to write down, you have to locate the following metallic and non-metallic minerals on the Pakistan's map, which we have already learned about in the video. Go through the video, and in the video, the minerals or metallic minerals or non-metallic minerals we discussed, you have to locate on the map. Then differentiate between metallic and non-metallic minerals. How does the production of minerals help in the economic development of a country?